Welcome my friends, it's Yuri. We just started our weekly market outlook. I will show you best instruments which we can trade. It would be gold, oil, Bitcoin, other instruments. At this moment what you should do, you should push like, you should write a comment about quality of the sound and the video, and after that would be a signal about start. That's why right now type into a comment about the quality of the video and the sound. If you hear me well, if you see me well, that would be awesome signal that we can start, my friends. I wait for your feedback, and also I would type into our my friends, type into a chat about quality of the sound and the video. If everything okay, I will start. It's important to hear that everything is okay. My friends, what about the quality of the video, of the sound? Also, where is it? Hi, ready, nice to see you here. Hi my friends, nice to see all you here. No voice from your side. Sound very all good. Sound is very low. Few seconds. Settings. Settings. Audio. What about audio? Desktop audio. Real tag. Desktop audio. Real tag. Fast. Simple. Okay. Apply. As you can see at this moment I use this audio. Tell me please, microphone clear, closer please. As you can see I have my microphone here at me, right here, right now. Hi, no sound. Okay my friends, if there are no sound I will use this mic. I will use Yeti mic because this mic will you will hear better, but the biggest difference is that few seconds. Yeti and Yeti. Good. My friends, tell me at this moment about sound. Do you hear me well? Because at this moment I think with huge possibility you will hear bigger echo. Okay, we have started. We have started join. We had started join. Okay, no echo. Yes, hearing better now. Thank you. You're welcome, my friends. How we will start our weekly market analysis. First I will start from Euro USD and FX pair. After that I will show you gold, oil. About oil will be at the beginning because our topic today about oil. Why? Because oil show to us really accurate entries and huge possibilities that oil soon will show you entry with low predictable risk and potential profit maybe in 10 times bigger. That's why if you want to get in the future those entries with take profit in 10 times bigger, right now push like and share this stream with your friends. Okay, I start stream and I start this analysis. At this moment, as you can see, we have Brent oil. I would like to show you key levels which I use, and I will show you reasons why I bought those key levels. First, when I made a description of this video about that oil can drop dramatically, the main reason why I told that, because take a look where oil is. It is a high of March 2020. From this point the price made that powerful down drop, and at this moment huge possibility that price will hit that key level, will create false breakout and will drop at least into this area. That means if price will drop from 39.66 to 29, that's 1000 pips. Just imagine if we will open entry with 40 pips risk, potential profit could be 1000. Potential profit could be in 25 times bigger. Few seconds, I will make my face lower. My friends, type into a chat about oil. Is it clear about oil? Do you trade oil? Please type into a chat, do you trade oil? If yes, that would be a good signal, and I'll explain you far more about key levels which we have on oil. I wait for your comment. No, why you do not trade oil? Explain please. Explain please why you do not trade oil. Yes, not yet. Yes, WJ. We trade oil. Yes, would like to. Yes. You need to understand, in trading you don't need to have like instrument which is your favorite, because you need to trade only when market show to you accurate entry place. At this moment, as you can see, I think you see this. We have such accurate key level. Example for you why key levels is important, because take a look, we had this key level from each price made down drop. Take a look on first reaction and second. That's an example how key levels works. That's why here, if there would be false breakout on lower time frame, especially if price will approach sharply, we will have accurate entry. Here at this key level, few seconds. You can type these key levels and just save it. It is on Brent oil, as you can see. We have 45.08 and we have 39.66. Just save these key levels, and if there would be a false breakout, open sell. I already set alerts on TradingView. You also can do it. My friends, is it clear about oil? I am a newbie. If you are a newbie, what I recommend to you, we have this playlist. I copy post link. If you are a newbie, open my Telegram channel. I just sent to you this playlist and save it, because there are a lot of lessons which will help you trade better. Will the price go to fill as a daily gap? My friend, oil were above 100. I do believe that oil will rise up. Still, we will see oil at bigger price, but at this moment for you, far more important is accurate entry place. Do not hurry up. What's the entry and take profit? Once more, I told you, at this key level, 39.66 will be accurate sell entry after false breakout, and potential profit will be at least in 10 times bigger. Stop loss above false breakout. How to trade false breakout? My friends, I teach my students how to trade false breakout. If you want to learn, join our VIP room. Okay, let's go to another instrument about Euro USD. Take a look here on this accumulation. 2 months the price were in this accumulation. Today price made false breakout, as you can see here. It's so sad that price made those false breakout, because what I would like to tell you, I didn't open entry here because this false breakout happened not on Friday, because on Friday it was a full ATR. At this moment, what can happen with huge possibility on Euro USD? With huge possibility, there would be pullback into this zone. There would be pullback, and after that, from this pullback, with huge possibility, price will continue uprise. Why I think so? First, we have this accumulation. After this accumulation, price rose up. Second, fundamentally, we have protests in the United States. Third, after this accumulation, when price will come back, those who open buy here, their break-evens will create new liquidity. And the next point, as you can see, every low is higher and higher. Just big players showed to us a trend. Type into a chat what you think about Euro USD. Oil is already dropping in 5-minute time frame. My friend, we do not trade 5-minute time frame. Type into a chat, is it clear about oil and Euro USD? If yes, we will go to another instrument. About British pound. As you can see here on British pound, we have this key level from which price bounced accurately. As you can see here, price from this point bounced. Today price already rose up 170 pips ATR. If today there would be a fast approach to this key level, there could be possibly a bounce. Why it's important? I will show you an example why it's important to trade when price approach on full ATR on some key level. Because take a look on this example. As you can see, ATR, 5 daily ATR. What's going on? A few seconds. Okay, as you can see, last 10 days ATR 123 pips. From this point, price rose up 210 pips. It is nearly 170%. And take a look how price bounced from local key level when price rose up more than 1 ATR. That's the reason why I always speak to you about ATR, and that ATR, it is the best indicator which you can use. I saw your video how to trade false breakout key levels and ATR. Yes, my friends, on our YouTube channel you'll find a lesson about ATR. It is the best indicator. Just open it, watch, and share it with your friends, because that would be the best thank you from your side. That's why, once more, about British pound, what you need to understand: if the price today will hit this key level, it will be approach on full ATR, and that will allow us to open accurate sell entry. Why? Because as you can see, every low is higher and higher. That means technically price at this moment bullish, but we do not have accurate key level below from which we can open by entry. But here counter trend is possible. About British pound Japanese yen, that's an example for you when sometimes price will be tricky and will not work with us. Because take a look, it is nearly similar picture like on British pound USD. Take a look, key level. Price with bigger ATR approached to key level but didn't do a false breakout, didn't hit key level, and bounced it before. And take a look from this point, price bounced at 150 pips. Just imagine if you open entry with 30 pips stop loss, you can take 1 to 5. That's the beauty of ATR. At this moment, what can I tell you? It looks like head and shoulders, but not accurate. I believe that with huge possibility price will hit this key level. How it will happen at this moment, I do not know. If there would be fast approach and false breakout, we will open sell. If there would be slowly approach, after that price will continue uprise. That's why I wait for it. But we always need to have a key level for entry. My friends, type into a chat what questions do you have at this moment. Type into a chat what questions do you have, and I'll answer on all your questions. Is it possible to see with longer time frames like daily or weekly or monthly? Ali, explain your questions. What did you ask me? My friends, at this moment, type into a chat your questions. When I buy oil, you will buy oil when you want. If you want, buy oil. If you don't want, don't buy oil. I share only my entries and my signals, which I personally trade here on, and also on TradingView. About gold. Yes, I will speak about gold after currency pairs. I think you saw in my MT4 all instruments. Yes, Euro Japanese will be also. Any advice on Nasdaq? Also, I will speak about Nasdaq. My friends, ask questions about instruments which we just discover, and also some questions about your trading. Do you use smaller time frames to confirm entries? I always use multi-time frame analysis. First, I use daily for building key levels. Second, I use lower time frames to see how price approach, because for me it's important to have fast approach and full ATR. When price move more than 1 ATR, for me it's really best confirmation for accurate entry. And in most cases, I watch it on 30 minutes, 1 hour. But I rarely use like 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Crude oil. Cool, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome, my friends. Best thank you from your side at this moment will be a push like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, many of you ask me about our VIP signals, about our approach. Take a look here on all our take profits in our VIP signal room, as you can see here. If you want to join our VIP signals, as you can see, we have, my friends, we have 2 rooms for FX and we have 1 room for crypto. At this moment, below this lesson, you will find contacts. Write to my team and ask about participation. Okay, let's go and let's continue with other instruments. I will make this picture a little bit lower. Doesn't look similar to your MT4 indicator. How to use the ATR indicator in TradingView? I do not have. I have only MT4, and I share it with my students, with my VIP members, and so soon we will translate it into English. That's all. About TradingView, I do not have such accurate for TradingView. The next point, my friends, about Euro Japanese yen. As you can see, price broke up this key level. At this moment, we have here key level and here. I think if that would be pulled back to this key level, false breakout, we will be able to open buy because we have upward trend. And first and the next, we have this key level from which price made powerful down drop. Everything depends how price will approach to it. If that would be false breakout, we will open accurate sell entry with low predictable risk. That's why pay attention to these key levels. 119.035, 121.158. That's 2 key levels on Euro Japanese yen. About gold, gold at this moment in the range, and there is nothing to do, and I do not like to trade such stuff. I do not understand gold at this moment. Yes, we can build different stuff. We can build like trend lines. Take a look this trend line. Take a look on this trend line. Also take a look on this channel. And we can build so many channels, and after that you can flip a coin and make a decision what to do. What I mean about gold at this moment not clear. If some instrument is not clear, better to skip, that's all. My friend, Gillette, about your USD, I spoke at the beginning of this stream. That's why at this moment, what can I tell you? Just you will be able to watch the stream and to see it again. Just wait for it. About oil, about Brent oil, I already spoke. Also, you will be able to watch. Next time, just join faster. Japanese yen, my friends, nothing to do. Take a look. Range, 2-month range. Just nothing to do. Just skip. That's all. Don't trade it. At this moment, Canadian. Everything depends where daily candle will close. Key level by this paranormal candle approached here, false breakout on Friday. At this moment, as you can see, price fight for this key level. Only breakout above after pullback will create accurate buy entry. That's all. Everything looks like price will hit this key level and will close gap. Will hit this buy zone, and from this buy zone will create powerful pullback. That's why pay to this attention to those key levels. Also, don't forget that we have a key level here. As you can see, price bounced nearly from that. That's why at this moment, my friends, what you need to understand, if daily candle will close above, that will show for this false breakout and buy signal. That's all. How about British pound Australia? Yes, I will share my analysis. Is BASP's best to draw clear support resistance and supply demand zones or any candles is okay? It doesn't matter. You should use what is better for you because why? Because they show the same information: open, high, close, and low. All of them show the same information. Friends, push like, subscribe on our YouTube channel because you will get a lot of useful stuff. Take a look here. As you can see, range, price made false breakout of border of this range. Interesting. At this moment, everything depends where daily candle will close. As you can see, we have this key level from which price bounced here and here also, and false breakout here and false breakout here. What do we need to understand? If daily candle will close above, close here, pull back into this area, will be accurate buy zone, because it is a border of a range, and everything looks like range will continue. But also you need to pay attention that every low, every high is lower and lower. That's why still sometimes some pictures controversial, because this bigger picture showed to us that the trend is bearish and instruments should drop down. On lower time frames it shows bullish signals. That's why I would personally will skip it. I personally will not trade it. Today, as you can see, I can share with you, it is a list of instruments which I would like to trade. Take a look. I would like to share with you. As you can see, it is all instruments which I would like to trade and all key levels which I wrote today. Do you see it, my friends? Type into a chat. Do you see a list of instruments which I would like to trade? I usually use candle for trading, but bars to draw support resistance. I fear bar more accurate. My friends, you should try both of them, and you will see which of them are better. Yes, that's those instruments which I have on the list and which I would like to trade personally. Okay. Yes, thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome, my friends. That's why, my friends, let's go. Let's finish. New Zealand price broke this range. Australia, example for you. Take a look on Friday. Price. Previous week price bounced before this key level, and after that still, as you can see, every low higher and higher. At this moment still pull back to this triangle could create accurate buy entry. That's why after pullback you can open buy entry, because still price in this upward trend. Gold, like I told you, in a range, nothing to do. WTI at this moment also in this range, nothing to do in the range. We have only two key levels from which you can open entry. First one it is 34.83 here, and second one it is 41.03. It is 2 key levels which you can use for accurate entry. About Euro British Pound, as you can see, we had this key level from which price bounced. Price made false breakout trap. What can I tell you, my friends? If tomorrow there would be pullback to this key level, open sell and continue down drop, because it looks like trend down can continue, especially after this trap. And about S&P 500, price in upward trend at this moment. We have this key level from which price made powerful down drop. Approach to this key level could create accurate sell entry. After false breakout, especially could be accurate sell entry. My friends, right now type into a chat, is it clear about those instruments which we just analyzed? About is WTI bullish? Currently, yes, it is in uptrend. That's why I showed to you two key places where you can open entries. My friends, type into a chat, is it clear to you about all these signals, about all these points? Also, my friends, many of you ask me about our VIP signals, about our approach, about education. At this moment, take a look. As you can see, it is our crypto signals. We closed 3 months, we closed with really good statistic on crypto signals. What at this moment you can do? Below this video, I will just show to you. Below this stream, you open this stream, and below you will find a link where you can write to my team. Take a look here. Use this link and you will be able to write to my team and ask WhatsApp and also Telegram. Write to my team and ask about condition and participation. Take a look. It is this context, and ask about education, ask about signals, ask about account management with protection. My team will share to you all statistics, all the information, and also many of you, I think, saw my TradingView page. My friends, take a look on our TradingView page and you will see accuracy of our ideas which we sent on previous week. I hope you saw all ideas which we sent and you saw how they play out. Take a look on all of these ideas. That's why, what can I tell you? My friends, if you want to learn how to analyze market like I do, if you want to learn key levels, how to preconditions, ATR, entry points, exit points, risk management, all of that, just write to my team and ask about conditions, and you will get all information, and you also can trade really good. That's why, do it right now. Thanks a lot, Yuri. Greeting from Colombia, South America. You're welcome. Awesome to see you here. To be honest, it's a pleasure to see you here. Okay, my friends, type into a chat what instruments would you like me to analyze. And WTI 3048 for buy or sell. My friend, I just told it. Just told it. After this stream, you will be able to hear it again. Okay, some of you asked me about British Pound Australia. I think you saw an idea which we sent on TradingView. That's a reason why you should follow my TradingView, why you should follow my YouTube channel, why you should follow us everywhere. Because once more, we sent an idea about TradingView key level. Huge possibility that price will bounce from this key level. Take a look from this point, price made powerful up rise. That's why when some of you ask it, just open TradingView and you will see everything. Are you going to post this video on your channel after you finish? Yes, you will find that video after I will finish. DAX BTC. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin, and after that I will do indexes, Nasdaq, and crypto and cross currency pairs, which you will tell me to analyze. Okay. Thanks for your time and help. It's Ali from Australia. Do you think GBP still New Zealand still upward? No, I do not think, and I'll show you British Pound New Zealand. Wait for it. First about Bitcoin. Bitcoin crypto. At this moment, Bitcoin in this range above this mirror level. Technically, price up in uptrend, local trend up, everything up. Also, the one point which I do not like, it is this trend line. But still, what can I tell you? Those who open buy at this key level, you can open buy and hold it. Because the huge possibility, what can happen? The huge possibility price will hit at least this area. Why I think the huge possibility price will do it? Because there are a lot of stop losses for those who open sell. Also, big players will hunt for stop losses of retail. Also, as you can see, every low is higher and higher. Take a look here. Take a look here, my friends. Every low higher and higher. That's why it is not looks like a downtrend had started. Downtrend will happen only when we will have something like this accumulation, and after that down drop and fix, only that will show to us downtrend. At this moment, still we are bullish. That's why if you have possibility open entry at this mirror level with stop loss to 300 USD, and potential profit could be above these key levels. That's what you can do with Bitcoin. Okay, I'm one of your follow on TradingView. Awesome, my friends. Every one of you, what you should do right now is open my TradingView page and write and join and follow. Also, you can follow me in Instagram. I started my Instagram. I will also do a job with my Instagram. That's why right now what you should do, you should open my Instagram, subscribe and follow, because nearly every day I will record stories with trading plans which I have on my list, and some points from my personal life. That's why I believe it would be interesting and useful. Thanks, mate. You're welcome. My friends, what other instruments would you like me to analyze? From some of you, I saw Bitcoin, yes, DAX, Australia, Japanese yen. Okay, Australia, Japanese yen. Australia, Japanese yen. Ooh. First, we have powerful uptrend. Second, we have only key level here, As you can see, price bounced from it. Next key level only here. That's why at this moment nothing to do between these two key levels. There's nothing to do. If you have any buy position, yes, it's good. You can hold it before this key level, because as you can see, every low is higher, higher, and higher. Pull back into this area, if that would be tomorrow, could create accurate buy entry to continue uprise. That's all about Australia, Japanese yen. What can I tell you? Germany and DAX. Germany 30, Germany DAX index. My friends, the same DAX index, uptrend, local, global uptrend currently from this point. We have key level here. I do believe that from this point, the possibility price can make down drop. Example for you here, we have something like on Australia 200. As you can see, we also have accurate key level here. Also, fast approach, false breakout can create down drop from this key level. Why I do believe in it? Because I would like to share with you examples when it happened before in a history. As you can see here, US 2000. Example for you how price approach to key level here, and take a look, fast approach, and after that powerful down drop. And after that key level become a mirror level. That's an example why it's important to pay attention to it. About Nasdaq, my friends, everything looks like Nasdaq will recover and will hit its all history high. And it will be interesting to see if there would be false breakout. We will open accurate sell, because it's really interesting. It's really at this moment. What can I tell you? It's interesting. We live in interesting life, because Nasdaq, because a lot of people lost their job, but still Nasdaq rose up. My friend, British pound versus USD in a range. There's nothing to do. Can you please do Euro Canadian? Great explanation, sir. Thank you. My friends, if you think it's really good explanation, what you should do right now: first, subscribe on our YouTube channel, because you'll get notification, new lessons, free lessons, new streams, different good stuff in community. Second, open my Telegram channel for free. Open Telegram channel, there you will get free updates, free lessons, free articles. Open trading new page. On everyday basis you will get free ideas, free trading plans. Just do it right now. It's all of those for free. But for those who want to get accurate entries, which I personally trade and my team also trade, those for students and those for VIP members. For VIP members, how to become a VIP member, how to study, I told you, you should write here, and you will get all information. Euro Canadian. Done. Yes. Awesome. And also, don't forget, my friends, to subscribe on my Instagram. It would be interesting to see how many of you will subscribe on my Instagram. Right now, what you should do. Right now, I would share with you my Instagram. Copy link address. Right now. About some crypto, you should tell exactly what crypto you would like me to analyze. My friends, also right now subscribe on my Instagram right now. Let's go and let's continue with what instrument? Euro Canadian. Euro Canadian. Price drop down 90-70 pips. At this moment, it's hard to do something. Example for you why it's important to use ATR in your trading. Take a look. After 2 days, price rose up more than 2 ATR. Take a look on this powerful drop. Also, take a look on this beauty. Nearly full ATR, but we didn't have accurate key level. At this moment, my friends, price still in this range, and still there's nothing to do. I'm out of this. I do not play such game, and I don't want to trade it. I'm already in IG. Ready, right, please. What IG? What do you mean IG? My friends, at this moment, what can I tell you? At this moment, type into a chat what instruments would you like me to analyze, because I didn't get it from you. Also, once more, what can I tell you? Many of you wrote to me on TradingView in Telegram and asked about education. Because I knew that many of you want to learn how to analyze market, how to trade properly like I did. My friends, what can I tell you at this moment? I can teach you how to trade properly face to face. At this moment, I have 3 places for personal coaching where I will work with you. It does not cost small money. Yes, it costs big money, but believe me, it will save you few years and thousands of USD. Because I will teach you how to understand market, how to build key levels, how to understand trends, global trends, local trends, accurate entry places, take profits, stop losses, when you can increase volume, where you should decrease volume for protecting your capital. Example for you of those people, I just would like to share with you what can happen with you if you will not join good education. Example J, I show it nearly on every stream. He took consultation from he bought my consultation and we spoke together and take a look, he lost 200k because he didn't have strategy, understanding of markets, understanding of risk, and he blew out 200k. You can save all your money and you can gain awesome knowledge. At this moment, what can I do? What can I tell you? Right now, write to my team and ask about education. For those who will join today, I will share with you for free my ATR indicator, risk manager soft, which cost me 500 USD for developing, and also I will share with you my soft which I use for trading key levels. It calls half automatic trading system, where you'll be able to put key levels and it will trade for you for the breakout, but it only for my students. My friends, need to go, please excuse me. You're welcome. My friends, thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.